Next time, anybody come around, slap the fuck out of them. I ran to that motherfucking closet, and I told me in for that shit. Don't handle the other nigga's problem. Shit, you want? Shut up.
Talking sorry, bitch. You know you don't want me. I need to hear this motherfucker shake away from motherfucker. No, man. I don't carry these motherfucking hands for no reason, nigga. Nigga, my hands are more lethal than your motherfucking knife. That knife gonna get you hurt.
Why you carry your hands right here?
That knife gonna get you hurt.
Your motherfucking lips up, nigga, when I knock them down.
Boy, you can't even get to my face, nigga. I'm
Please. You might be a long, lanky, giraffe body, built ass nigga, but my reach is so fierce to knock that motherfucker.
Come on, nigga. Then what you talking about then?
Extend the hand ass niggas what I am. Find this nigga in E-Town, rag clipping, niggas global bound. I drive a Crown Vic because I got a big dick.
And you used to be a snitch on the block with the bricks.
You ain't a dick up till you hiccup, man, your rep stuck up.
Come on, man. You wax the fuck up. You couldn't even eat my truck up. If I rolled you up or destroy that bitch, little nigga. Come on.
That motherfucker slow as fuck. Was that a 4-cylinder? You can stick it up your butt, bitch ass nigga.
Burnt bitch ass nigga. That was a V6 3.2 ass liter. Bitch ass nigga. The Navajo didn't want it. That's the reason that bitch went out of
At least my shit was 4-wheel drive. They could dive, hit the streets and ride, nigga. Bass hitting out the side, the streets 4-wheel in the motherfucking sky, nigga. As I lean to the side, nigga. Still having these baby girls on my ride, nigga. At least I had 4 seats. Pound the balance to the beats, nigga.
Yeah.
This shit had nothing but one stereo. Only one hoe can hear that motherfucker.
Well, stereo. Come on, bro. What you talking about, G? Yeah, you had bass inside that bitch, but hey, you don't want to race beside my shit, nigga. And that's real shit. My truck was so fast, shit. It'll beat your Crown Vic. Right there, with them pipes on the back. I'm telling you this real shit, G. All back.